Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 computer or laptop freezes and becomes unresponsive when idle. First method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Startup Apps, disable all startup apps one by one. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk /f /x /r /c:. Exit and restart system. After completes total 100%, system automatically restarting. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.